morning. The company proposing a wind farm in Botetourt County explains the details of the project.
The Charlottesville company Apex Clean Energy hopes to install 25 wind turbines along a 3.5-mile stretch of North Mountain.
WSLS 10's Rob Manch joining us this morning live from Botetourt County with those details. Rob, good morning.
Good morning, Patrick. Well, I'm in Daleville right now, which is just miles from North Mountain, where the company is proposing to put those 25 windmills. And the company had to file for a special exceptions permit with the county recently. They say that that mountain range generates enough wind to produce about 75 megawatts of power, and they say that's enough to power about 20,000 average homes. Now, the company did have to comply with a new wind ordinance that the county put into place this past July that restricts the height of the windmills to 550 feet and the sound that they're allowed to produce to about 60 decibels or below. Company representatives say they picked this location in part because it's obscured by the mountains and not near any large cities.
So the way the mountain is situated, a lot of the where most of the heavier populations in the area are won't have a significant view of the wind farm. Some of the surrounding mountains actually act as a barrier to that. There will be distant views, of course, but tree vegetation and buildings and such really can block that view from people.
If built, the wind farm would be the first of its kind in the state of Virginia. Now, this past July, several homeowners in Botetourt County did file a lawsuit against the county based around that that wind ordinance, saying it wasn't strict enough. The attorney representing those homeowners, Tammy Belinsky, says that that will be in Botetourt Circuit Court on December 16th. And meanwhile, the company plans to host an open house to introduce the community to the project starting in the beginning of December, and they will be they hope that supervisors will approve that project by the early next year.
Now, Rob, there are some people against this project. Why are they against the project? What kind of problems are they anticipating?
Well, Jenna, the main arguments against the project based around the height and the sound that those windmills would make. Now, the argument in that lawsuit says that 550 feet for windmills is way too tall. It could fling ice off the blades in the winter, causing damage, and they would also cast long shadows that could disrupt people's sleep. But Apex counters that argument by saying there's no major buildings around these windmills that could be damaged by any flying ice. And they also say that any health concerns, there's been 8 lawsuits against wind farms in the U.S. so far based around health concerns, and only one wind farm was ever found culpable of any wrongdoing. So they feel confident that there would be no health concerns for anyone in Botetourt County based around their project.
Okay, Rob Manch reporting live for us this morning. We'll, of course, continue to follow this as it moves forward. Thanks, Rob.